Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're going to do a short demonstration of the iCarsoft CR Pro kit. We're in an Audi Q5 right now, which has a problem with the ABS system. Before we get to that though, the CR Pro kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put a link to this kit in the description below this video. I'll also put a link to where you can pick it up on Amazon, and I'll also put a link to where you can view the latest blog post on this particular tool, which gives you all of the latest information, hints, tips, reviews and guides. So we've got the tool plugged into the diagnostic port. You'll see we've got the ABS light and the traction control warning light on here. Don't worry about the other two. We're going to click into diagnostics, go through and select our specific manufacturer first of all. So we need to select Audi, and then we can either select our vehicle or our system. I'm going to select system manual. So we need to find the braking control module, which is number 3 here. And we're going to click on to read fault code, so I'll show you the fault code that we've been getting. 00290 ABS wheel speed sensor rear left. There's another fault as well, but that has been triggered because of this one. We've done a live data test on the ABS sensor, which basically shows us that there's no signal coming from the rear left ABS sensor. So we put a new ABS sensor in, the faults are still there, the warning lights are still there. Sometimes they'll go off automatically, sometimes you need to reset them with the tool. So I'm going to click on to clear fault memory, click OK. Erase operation done. The lights are still there. You'll notice that happens with the ABS system. It's unlike the airbag system or the check engine system, whereby the light will generally turn off straight away. What you need to do is back out of the ABS system on this tool or the braking system, then you'll see the lights turn off. So if we start backing out here, there we go, you see the lights have gone off now, and it's all thanks to the iCarsoft CR Pro. Works on all makes and models, other than the supercars, Ferraris, Aston Martins, all systems, and within those vehicles, you know, it does a lot of service items as well. It's very worth looking into. It's a great tool, in fact, but it is available, as I say, at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below the video. I'll put a link to the Amazon listing. I'll also put a link to the latest blog post on this item. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.